Good morning, student. Today we will learn halogen derivatives of haloalkanes, that is alkyl halides. From this, the electrophilic substitution reactions. The first one, halogenation. What is meant by the halogenation? Halogenation means addition of halogen. Chlorobenzene is treated with chlorine in presence of anhydrous FeCl3, Levy's acid. It gives two products. First one, 2-chlorobenzene and 4-chlorobenzene. It is also called as 1,2-dichlorobenzene and 1,4-dichlorobenzene with HCl. Again see here, what is meant by the halogenation? Halogenation means addition of halogen. Mostly this addition takes place in presence of Levy's acid, that is here anhydrous FeCl3. Chlorobenzene is treated with chlorine in presence of anhydrous FeCl3. It gives two products. Major product 4-chlorobenzene. It is also called as 1,4-dichlorobenzene, and second one 1,2-dichlorobenzene or 2-chlorobenzene. Here the major product is 4-chlorobenzene and minor product is 2-chlorobenzene. Then second reaction, nitration. Addition of nitro group, that is called as nitration. When chlorobenzene is treated with nitrating mixture. Nitrating mixture means mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. After heating, it gives the two products, 4-nitrochlorobenzene and here 2-nitrochlorobenzene. It is also called as 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene and second one 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene. Here major product is 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene and minor product is 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene. Once again see here, nitration means addition of nitro group. When alkyl halide such as chlorobenzene is treated with nitrating mixture HNO3 and sulfuric acid concentrating mixture, after heating it gives the two products. First one 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene and second one 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene. Here major product is 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene and minor product is 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene. Sulfonation means addition of SO3H group in halogen. Suppose chlorobenzene is treated with fuming sulfuric acid. After heating, it gives the two products, that is 1-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid and here 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Here the 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid is major product. Again see here, chlorobenzene is treated with fuming sulfuric acid. After heating, it gives 1-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid and second product 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Next reaction, that is called as Friedel-Crafts reaction. Here the chlorobenzene is treated with alkyl halides such as a methyl chloride. In presence of catalyst anhydrous FeCl3, it gives 1-chlorotoluene and second product here 1-chlorotoluene and second product here 4-chlorotoluene. Again see here, in Friedel-Crafts reaction, chlorobenzene is treated with methyl chloride. In presence of anhydrous FeCl3 catalyst, it gives 1-chlorotoluene and here 4-chlorotoluene. In Friedel-Crafts reaction, we had seen chlorobenzene is treated with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous FeCl3. it gives here 1 chlorotoluene and here 4 chlorotoluene. 4 chlorotoluene is a major product. The next reaction in Friedel-Crafts reaction we will see here. When chlorobenzene is treated with acetyl chloride, in presence of anhydrous FeCl3 as a catalyst, it gives the 4-chloroacetophenone and second product 1-chloroacetophenone. This is a Friedel-Crafts reaction. In this reaction, 4-chloroacetophenone is a major product and 1-chloroacetophenone is a minor product. Now we will see uses and environmental effects of some polyhalogen compound. Last article from halogen derivatives, that is uses and environmental effects of some polyhalogen compound. First one, dichloromethane. CH2Cl2. It is also called as methylene chloride. First one we will see, it is a colorless volatile liquid and have a sweet aroma, smell or odor. See again, dichloromethane has a colorless volatile liquid having sweet aroma. Then what are its uses? First one, it is used as a solvent for the extraction of different organic compounds, and it is used as a propellant in aerosols. Propellant means what? Mostly the fuels which are used as a propel, that means it may be here petrol, then kerosene, like that. Then next, environmental effect. It causes the dizziness, that is called as also chakkar, fatigue, thakwa, nausea, that is also vomiting, headache, dokodukhi, numbness and weakness. It is highly dangerous. So this is very highly dangerous compound. Second compound, that is chloroform. Chloroform has a molecular formula CHCl3. It is also called as trichloromethane. Chloroform is a colorless liquid and having a particular sweet smell. What are its uses? First, used to prepare the chlorofluoromethane, that is dichloromethane, which is used as a refrigerant, that is cooling process, that is also called as coolant. Once again, chloroform is used to prepare chlorofluoromethane, difluoromethane as a refrigerant for the cooling process. Then next, chloroform is also used as a solvent. Here, extraction of gums, fats and resins. Again, it is used as a source of dichlorocarbene. Once again, see here, chloroform CHCl3. It is also called as trichloromethane. It is a colorless liquid having a particular sweet smell. What are its uses? First one, used to prepare chlorofluoromethane, that is difluoromethane as a refrigerant for the cooling process. Second one, it is used for the extraction of gums, fats and resins, which is used as a solvent. And next, it is used as a source of dichlorocarbene. Then there are many side effects, environmental side effects. First one, depression in a central nervous system. Short exposure of the chloroform causes depression in a central nervous system. Second, inhaling chloroform causes fatigue, dizziness and headache. Inhaling chloroform also causes fatigue, dizziness and headache. And long time exposure of chloroform may damage the liver. May damage the liver. Once again, see here, second compound, chloroform. Chloroform has a molecular formula CaCl3, trichloromethane. It is a colorless liquid and particular sweet smell. Mainly it is used for the refrigerant to prepare dichloro-difluoromethane, which is used for the cooling process in refrigeration. Again, see here, it is used, chloroform is used as a solvent for the extraction of gums, fats and resins. Chloroforms also used as a source of dichlorocarbon. Then environmental effect. Depression in a central nervous system. Short-term exposure of chloroform causes depression in a central nervous system. Second one, inhaling chloroform causes fatigue, then dizziness and headache. And long time of exposure to chloroform may affect liver. Lastly, chloroform when exposed to the air and light, it forms the poisonous compound such as the phosgene, and these phosgene mainly affect the central nervous system, and so mostly chloroform is stored in dark color bottle. Next one, carbon tetrachloride CCl4. It is also called as tetrachloromethane. It is a colorless liquid having a particular sweet smell. Uses. First use, that is mainly carbon tetrachloride is used as a solvent for extraction of oils, fats and resins. Next, it is used as a source of chlorine. And next, third use, for the cleaning agent. Chlorine is mainly as a carbon tetrachloride, and from that chlorine is used as a bleaching agent. So mostly you can see that carbon tetrachloride is used as a cleaning agent. There are some important but most effective effects. First one, carbon tetrachloride exposure is highly toxic to liver. Exposure is highly toxic to liver. Second one, exposure to high concentration of carbon tetrachloride affect the central nervous system. Exposure of high concentration of carbon tetrachloride affect the central nervous system. Next, carbon tetrachloride suspected to be carcinogenic, which causes cancer. Prolonged exposure of carbon tetrachloride causes death. For the long time, exposure of carbon tetrachloride causes the death. And lastly, it is a greenhouse effect. Carbon tetrachloride CCl4. It is also called as tetrachloromethane. It is colorless liquid having a particular sweet smell. Here mainly it is used as a solvent for the extraction of oils, fats and resins. It is also source of chlorine and it is used for the cleaning agent. Next, there are some important environmental effects. High dose of carbon tetrachloride mainly toxic to liver. Exposure of high concentration of carbon tetrachloride affect the central nervous system. When carbon tetrachloride suspected to be carcinogenic, which causes the cancer, and prolonged exposure of carbon tetrachloride may cause the death, and lastly it is a greenhouse gas. Next, prions. Prions are nothing but the organic compound which are prepared from chlorine and fluorine. which are prepared from chlorine and fluorine. It is used as a refrigerant. It is used as a refrigerant for the cooling process. Next, in fridge, air conditioning, propellant in aerosol and used for the extraction of different organic compound. So it is used as a solvent. And next, it is freon mainly used as a blowing agent in making foams and packing materials. Then environmental effect of the freons. First, responsible for the depletion of ozone in stratosphere. Large inhalation of freons results in breathing problem, damage different organs and loss of consciousness. Once again, see, freons are prepared from the chlorine and fluorine, difluoromethane. Mainly it is used for the cooling process as a refrigerant. It is used in a fridge, air conditioning, propellant in aerosol and solvent for the extraction of different organic compounds. Then freon also used as a blowing agent in making foams and packing materials. There are certain environmental effects. First one, responsible for the depletion of ozone in stratosphere. Large inhalation of the freon results in breathing problems, then damages different organs, and lastly, loss of consciousness. Next, DDT. The long form for the DDT is dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. It is a colorless, tasteless, odorless and crystalline compound. Colorless, tasteless, odorless, crystalline compound. The structural formula is like this: 2 chlorobenzene rings are attached to the carbon carrying 1 hydrogen and next carbon carrying here single bond to 3 chlorine atoms. That is called as dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. Dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. Once uses, DDT is used for the killing insects, which are these like houseflies, mosquitoes and body lice. Mainly DDT is used for the killing insects, houseflies, mosquitoes, body lice. Again, it plays important role for the controlling malaria and typhus. It plays important role for the controlling malaria and typhus. Then environmental effect. High dose of DDT causes vomiting, tremors or shakiness. High dose of DDT causes vomiting, tremors or shakiness. Next, it acts as a pollutant. It acts as a pollutant. It acts as a resistance for the metabolism. So it disturbs our biological metabolism in human beings. Again, here DDT accumulates in fatty tissues. It is dangerous to our health. DDT accumulates in fatty tissues which are dangerous to health. And nowadays DDT has a ban on use of DDT. Thank you.